Learn synonyms in English. Dirty, filthy. The kitchen was filthy after the party. The kitchen was filthy after the party. The dog came inside covered in filthy mud. The dog came inside covered in filthy mud. The homeless man's clothes were filthy and torn. The homeless man's clothes were filthy and torn. The filthy streets were littered with garbage. The filthy streets were littered with garbage. The abandoned house was filled with filthy debris. The abandoned house was filled with filthy debris. The filthy carpet was stained and smelled of mildew. The filthy carpet was stained and smelled of mildew. The children's hands were filthy after playing outside. The children's hands were filthy after playing outside. The car was filthy after driving through the muddy roads. The car was filthy after driving through the muddy roads. The hotel room was so filthy that the guests demanded a refund. The hotel room was so filthy that the guests demanded a refund. The filthy windows were covered in grime. The filthy windows were covered in grime. The filthy toilet hadn't been flushed in days. The filthy toilet hadn't been flushed in days. The filthy clothes were piled up in the corner. The filthy clothes were piled up in the corner. The smell of the filthy garbage was overwhelming. The smell of the filthy garbage was overwhelming. The filthy bed sheets hadn't been changed in weeks. The filthy bed sheets hadn't been changed in weeks. He never washed and always wore a filthy old jacket. He never washed and always wore a filthy old jacket. To watch more videos, subscribe our Pep English channel.